Namaste to all the Indian viewers. Welcome back again. Yeah, your African boy, myself, Gabi from South Sudan.
My name is Samsona from Sudan.
Yeah, so today we are going to check one short video here, guys, regarding the Rama inauguration temple, which is going to take place in
Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh, yeah, that is Ayodhya, right?
Yeah.
So previous we reacted to one video and we learned a lot about the temple, right?
The temple, right? Yeah.
Yeah. So what did you learn from that?
I learned. I got to learn about the event which is going to take place in Ayodhya, Uttar Pradesh, which they are going to open the largest or the biggest temple in India, and they are going to invite massive and bunch of people around the world, like from different places, including the Prime Minister, Bollywood actors also, and different people, different spiritual
from
people.
Different country people.
And also the invitation is for all. It's not also for all. It's not only for the spiritual people. Also for Muslim, Christian, they're all welcome.
Anyone who is interested.
Yeah, anyone
even us, if we are interested, we can go.
We can go.
But I think that place is going to be like so much of
overcrowded. It's going to
like
be
I think more than million people will be there.
Sure.
Million plus, because India is 1.4 billion.
Yeah.
So they are saying they're expecting like 2 million people.
It was
just imagine 2 million people going in this temple.
Yeah.
And it will happen, man. It's going to happen because
in fact it's going to be more than 2 million.
See how it's going to happen. Government is helping people to come there.
Sure.
It's also providing buses.
Everything they are providing, everything full funded, like
everything, the food, accommodation,
full
even transport they are providing.
For sure, man.
From the railway station, from everywhere, like buses are there that will take people like direct.
Up and down, going up and down.
Yeah,
so everything is for free.
Where so many people, they're expecting like 2 million people to be there. Yeah. We're just imagining if we go there, I don't think we'll even get close to the temple.
You can never near the temple.
2 million
you have to
people.
go at the back because plenty of people will be there.
Yeah, so this temple is actually going to take place in Ayodhya for the Rama and Sita. Yeah, the Hinduism deity. So we are going to check one video here.
All right.
From Wion by the title Ram Mandir Consecration. Grand Ayodhya ceremony to be live. Okay, let's check this short video.
All right.
Bas na hadar kira. And the Benishabe, the Rama.
Yeah. India is going to set all.
Apart from India, the ceremony will be live streamed at the iconic times. Okay, I'm going to live stream. لأنه الناس بيكون كتير.
Plenty.
في ناس ما بيقدر بيحضروا من هناك ذات. بعملوا عشان برا عشان يحضروا من هنا. Indian embassy and consultant overseas. The ritual for Rama learners. The event expected to be attended around 1,000 of dignitaries and people. There was a special guest, 1,000. 51, which is called Krishna Shiva door of Lord Rama. A part of the festival, Mandir Hindu Mayagi is shadowed. The accommodation and flags of devotees arriving for the ceremony. Yeah? Numbers payments Okay, done. Man, I think this thing is going to be something big. It's going
to be big. And also, they are going to bring big screens for the people that will not going to be able to go near the temple.
Because so many people will be there.
Yeah.
It's going to be hard for the people also to watch how the inauguration is taking place. So they will make, just like football, they will make, like cricket, they will make a screen somewhere.
Yeah.
You will be in the place, but it's hard for you to
go near.
Because so many people are going to come.
So many people.
This is going to be, I think, one of the biggest ceremony, and it's going to be something big. And I think this city now, so many people will start visiting Ayodhya because of the temple. You know, Hindu people like
it's going to attract more people, especially the visitors. I mean, the tourism people from outside.
From next
month. Let me say from next month.
Yeah.
Because now
even me, I'm planning to visit that place. I'll go and make video there
right.
in my channel because
You have to go and shoot a video there.
Yeah,
you
this-
have to explain to your
because-
people, to your fans.
This
About
thing is
everything
not
there.
only about the temple. It's according to the history of Hindu. How the festival are made through the help of Rama, Sita. They fought against the devil,
The demons.
the demons.
Yeah.
And because of them, now they are celebrating what? Diwali.
Diwali and Dasara.
Dasara.
And so many festivals also.
Yeah. So that is it. Thank you so much, guys. Make
Namaste.
sure tell us more and subscribe to our channel. Love
Support
from
us.
Africa. Support.
Bye bye.